21 years after the 9/11 terrorist attacks, is American society safer? The answer is probably no. After 9/11, the United States launched the war on terrorism to prevent international terrorism from attacking the mainland in an all-round way, but domestic terrorism has quietly spread. Not only that, but multiple threats of violence such as gun violence and political violence have enveloped American society, and Americans' security anxiety has increased rather than decreased. According to the U.S. nonprofit Gun Violence Archive, as of September 12 local time, as many as 757 children and 3,597 teens have been killed or injured by gunfire in the United States. If this rate of development, the number of children and teenagers killed or injured by guns in the United States in 2022 will exceed the level of 2021, making it the worst year since statistics were available. Just this past weekend, there were multiple shootings in the U.S., resulting in multiple deaths and injuries. NGVA data shows that as of the 12th, there have been 479 mass shootings with 4 or more casualties in the U.S., with an average of 122 deaths per day from gunfire. The rising sounds of gunfire, the ubiquitous threat, and the rising casualty figures have all heightened Americans' safety anxiety and fear. The high incidence of gun violence has left Americans wondering what is safe, planning an escape route, no longer going to the local grocery store, considering leaving the country, dreading sending my kids to school. Americans' fear and anxiety grows with each passing day under the impact of the surge in shootings. Against the backdrop of the United States' delay in taking bottomless gun control measures, American society is caught in a vicious cycle of a continuous increase in the number of shootings and record high gun sales in the United States. At the same time, political violence in the United States has intensified. The former president, who still does not recognize his unsuccessful re-election bid, and the current president, who calls his predecessor and his supporters semi-fascists. The true face of American democracy behind the skin has left the world is stunned. 21 years ago, the United States launched the war on terror on the pretext of the 9/11 incident, which led the war to other countries and regions of the world. 21 years have passed. The United States may have prevented external problems, but it has given birth to internal strife. In the face of such a situation, U.S. politicians should reflect on it.